what's up mga Kokote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Quadernos, where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo ng subscribe, like, and share button para mag-updated ka sa aming mga videos. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Quadernos, at ang bagong lesson natin for today is plants. So before we start our lesson, so meron muna tayong trivia for today. The largest known living organism is called aspen grove. So that's the tallest tree, I think. Pando, Latin for eye spread out, is a group of genetically identical quaking aspens in Utah with an interconnected root system. It's an estimated 80,000 years old and it takes up more 100 acres. So that's the largest living organism. It's called aspen grove. So ayan. So, plants are living organisms. They grow and multiply. Scientists believe that there are more than 300,000 variety of plants in our planet. So, yung mga plantita natin, may mga iba't iba na mga varieties na mga plants yan. So, amazing, isn't it? Plants also provide oxygen that we breathe. So, it's very important, and it's their role. It's very important for us. They provide oxygen. So, green plants that are unique in a sense that they make their own food. They use energy from sunlight, carbon dioxide from the air, and water from the soil. This process is called photosynthesis. The photosynthesis also the process of plants making their own food. So the word photosynthesis means putting together with life. So, ayan. So, they need soil, they need water, they need sun, they need air carbon dioxide to produce and have a photosynthesis. So, next. Plants may vary in color. They have different shades of green while others may not be green at all. So, meron sila kasing chlorophyll. So, yung chlorophyll is a green pigment that makes a plant green, or mga leaves nagiging green. But sometimes there are instances nga that there are some plants that are not really that green. They have different colors and textures and characteristics and attributes. So, yan. Next tayo. So, plants have leaves that differ in sizes and shapes. So, we have different leaves. So, pag nakakita tayo sa daan, we are fascinated dahil nga iba-iba yung shape, may iba-ibang kulay, may iba't iba yung characteristics, so ganyan. Some can be very, very small while some are huge and tall like green palm trees. Moss, weeds, and bushes are examples of small, tiny plants. So meron mga may mga parang anong tawag doon sa maliit na plant na ginugroom. Nakalimutan ko na. So, basta may mga maliliit na leaves, may super laki. My favorite leaf was a maple leaf. It's from Canada. It's very known in Canada, the maple leaf. I really love the itsura. Like yung itsura ng maple leaf. And it's very phenomenal in the K-drama Goblin. So, kaya naging paborito kong dahon is the maple leaf. So, flowering plants. Some plants produces flowers. They can be different in colors, sizes, shapes, and scents. So, may iba-iba tayong scents. May mga flowers na medyo mabaho. May plants na super bango. They used in sa mga bathtubs, sa mga farms. They can be they can be arranged in flowers para sa Valentine's Day, iba't ibang occasion, something like that. They can be useful in that way. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless. So, click the thumbs up button if you like this video and leave a comment down below if you have suggestions, clarifications, and questions about our video. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.